City Russell Rutherford, Bible students preach the word, sandwich boards, megaphones, Zion's watchtower, photo drama of creation, Cedar Point, Ohio, advertise, advertise, advertise some more. Brooklyn Bethel volunteers, printing Bibles, magazines, books, tracts, and brochures, telling people the good news. Missionaries, pioneers, Bible studies up to ears, 100 hours, 90 hours, now it's only 70. We're gonna ring the doorbell, in the room of hiding, we know how to reach them. We're gonna ring the doorbell, even if they're busy, we will come back later. Bible highlights, did you read? Comment should be 30 seconds, don't go over cause it's rude, you know who you are. Sunday meetings, time change, get up early, can't sleep in, 9:30, 12:30, 3:30 is worse. Public talk, watchtower, oh no, not the covenants. Raise your hand, include a scripture, don't answer the beeper. Service group, be on time, presentation on your mind. Door to door, house to house, ring to business, not at home. We're gonna ring the doorbell, though they're home but hiding, we know how to reach them. We're gonna ring the doorbell, even if they're busy, we will come back later. Stanley Theaters, Turnersville, MetLife Stadium, Nassau, lodging list, where to stay, with a buffet breakfast, international, regional conventions, delegates, symposiums, new releases, please don't tell. Unity, brotherhood, congregation gathering, modest dress, suit and tie, sagging pants and no, dating and chaperones, everyone is watching, holidays, birthdays and voting all our pagans. We're gonna ring the doorbell, though they're home but hiding, we know how to reach them. We're gonna ring the doorbell, even if they're busy, we can come back later. Our new website is so cool, read the Bible online, request to study videos, all in your own language. Hop of God, pink book, truth book, and live forever, knowledge book, Bible teach, what we used to shine the light. Coffee breaks, bathroom breaks, is that a new daily? Bagels, donuts, pork roll, egg and cheese, please. We're gonna ring the doorbell, though they're home but hiding, we know how to reach them. We're gonna ring the doorbell, even if they're busy, we will come back later. Service bag, Bible, all you keeping out at home is call again, do not do, whose territory is this? Doorstep study, that's a start, good news, Brooklyn fits right, attend the meetings, join the school, pray he'll keep on progressing, dedicated, baptized, soon he'll be another. Next assignment, could it be, he's the circuit overseer. We're gonna ring the doorbell, though they're home but hiding, we know how to reach them. We're gonna ring the doorbell, and we'll keep on preaching on and on and on and on and on and on.